this video, we will be discussing the breakdown of an MR212E gas valve. You may need to do this if it is determined that the gas valve in your makeup air unit is seized or jammed, causing the high limit to trip or not allowing your unit to go into low fire. Before disassembling the gas valve, attempt to dislodge any debris from the valve by knocking on the sides of the frame with a soft rubber mallet or screwdriver handle. This may be all that is needed to restore the gas valve to its normal operating condition. Now let's move on to the disassembly. The first step is to remove the bottom plate. To do this, you will need a number 20 Torx screwdriver. You may need to remove wax from one or more of the screw heads. This can be easily done with a small slotted screwdriver. Continue to remove the rest of the screws securing the plate. Before removing the last screw, be sure to apply pressure to the back of the plate, being there is spring pressure in the opposing direction. There should be two pieces removed, the plate and the spring. The next step is to clean the surface and the seams with a soft bristled brush to avoid damaging the aluminum. You may also use a slotted screwdriver to lift up the valve seat to assist in the cleaning process. Debris such as metal shavings, plastic particles, or pipe tub can keep the valve suspended when it shouldn't be. Once clean, you can reinstall the bottom plate, being sure that the spring lands in both the grooves on the valve and on the plate. If this has not fixed the problem, the gas valve may have clogged regulator ports. To fix this, you must first disconnect the red wires at the top of the valve from the terminals. There is no need to remember the orientation of these wires for reassembly. Using a number 20 Torx screwdriver, remove the blue cap. Next, remove the upper plate using a number 27 Torx screwdriver. Careful not to damage the internal rubber diaphragm. The third step is to clear out two holes in the upper plate with a twisted wire brush or piece of wire. If these holes become plugged, pressure will build up and cause the valve to remain open. Finally, work the plunger to attempt to dislodge any debris from the valve, then reassemble. This has been a tutorial on how to disassemble and clean an MR2 series gas valve.